In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch templates on Squarespace 7.0. If you're working in a classic Squarespace 7.0 site, what most people call switching templates often means switching the overall look and feel by adjusting the theme, fonts, and colors inside your existing template. That's exactly what we'll do today. Quick note before we start, if you're using a newer site, especially if you created it more recently, you might be on Squarespace 7.1. The interface looks similar, but 7.1 handles templates differently. This walkthrough is specifically for 7.0. First, log into your Squarespace account and open the site you want to update. Once you're in the site's home menu, look to the left sidebar and open the main area where you manage your site. From here, you'll see an option labeled Website. Go ahead and click that to access the core settings and design tools for your site. Inside Website, select Styles. This is the design control center for your current template. Think of it as the place where you can apply a new visual theme, then fine-tune it so your site feels cohesive and on brand. You'll see options for themes, fonts, and colors all organized so you can preview changes in real time. Start by exploring the theme or preset options. Choosing a different preset applies a coordinated set of fonts, colors, and spacing to your entire site, which is the fastest way to refresh your design without rebuilding pages. After you pick a preset you like, move into fonts. Select a headline font that reflects your brand's personality and a clean, readable body font. Check sizing and line spacing so your content looks great on both desktop and mobile. Next, open colors. Here, set your brand's primary accent, background, and text colors. Use strong contrast for readability, especially for body text and buttons. As you adjust, keep an eye on live previews to make sure your navigation, headings, and calls to action remain clear and consistent. A few tips as you go. Use preview to scan multiple pages like your homepage, a blog post, and a product or portfolio page so you can catch any oddities early. Save changes in logical chunks. And if something doesn't work, don't hesitate to revert to a previous setting or try another preset. Remember that some elements are controlled at the section or block level, so you might refine a few pages after you set your global styles. That's it. By logging in, opening website, and using the styles panel to adjust themes, fonts, and colors, you've effectively switched the look of your Squarespace 7.0 template without starting from scratch.